This is Sharon with Hope Animal Sanctuary. This morning, a pickup truck pulled up across the road where the new sanctuary is being built and dumped out these 8 puppies. You can see that these puppies are starving, emaciated. Bless your heart, honey. Tell everybody hello. Puppies look to be about 3 months old, maybe not quite that. They're close. Hard to tell, they're so thin, and they are working alive with fleas. Don't know if you can see that or not. They are covered in fleas. Bless their hearts. So they'll be with us several months. Let them gain weight. They'll get several small meals a day. Treat their skin issues, vaccinate them, get them healthy, and find them a home. They just want to be loved. Little skeletons walking around. Again, this is Sharon in Defense of Animals, Hope Animal Sanctuary.